seriously still doesn't feel real that we live here. It's so crazy. New floors, look at these floors. And everybody's screaming. It's just so weird to have so much space. I'm like running through the house, putting everything together, and I'm like, I'm working out. Hi, buddy. Woo! Hey, oh my goodness, you guys.
We're at a house.
We're at our house. Hi. Hi, sweets. We just moved in. Hola, muchachos. I can't believe this. This is actually happening. I feel hyper. Like this whole time, me and the kids have been so hyper just being in our new space. It has been so fun. I want to bring you guys along a little bit here.
Looking at you.
Oh, she's looking at me. Yeah, Elizabeth thinks I'm the coolest. The mommest with the mostest. I want to take you guys along for the first day of us living in this house. So if you didn't know, I have actually been living with my parents and my brother and sister-in-law for the past 2 weeks, along with the rest of the fam jam, so we could get our walls painted, new floors. Look at these floors. These are beautiful. They're beautiful. I will link down below the company that did our floors, and I'll also link what our floors are. I think it's Toucan 6203. I'm gonna double check that and let you know. We still have some stuff to do. We're gonna have them come back, house key contracting, and they're going to be doing the stairs. Nothing like a good coat of paint on the walls. New floors. We will be doing the fireplace. We're gonna get a sweet fireplace. We're gonna get some built-in cabinets on the side. Also, we will be renovating the bathrooms. They're just outdated. I think this house is like 14 years old, and I would just like something a little bit different. We do have 3 levels, so it's gonna be quite a few set of stairs that need to be redone. And then if you come into the kitchen, boom! We will be renovating the kitchen someday. I'm not in a huge rush, but someday it is going to happen. But the amount of space that we have, we literally just chucked everything in here, is amazing. We have this great dining room area. We're gonna get some cool bar stools. We're gonna have this little nook here. What we would like to do is take the whole kitchen and put it right up through the wall. Maybe an island, not too sure, but very excited. All of this is so crazy to me, like especially because this is 3 times the size of our last place, and you know what, we really needed it as a family of 5, especially as me who works from home. We needed this, and we are just loving this. So anyway, what was I gonna say? Still in my jammies, Snow Patrol shirt because they're my favorite. Some nice jogging shorts with some spandex underneath, keep everything in. It's just so weird to have so much space. I'm like running through the house, putting everything together, and I'm like, I'm working out. It's a lot, like to have this much space. It's a lot. We are so thankful to the Lord for providing this place. Ivy, can you stop singing so they can hear what I'm saying? We're thankful to awesome family and awesome friends who just want to help and serve us in so many ways. Mildly overwhelmed, extremely thankful. So literally for this vlog, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me for day 1 of living here. And it's mostly gonna be organizational clips. Fast forwarded, lots of music, because I don't feel like I'll be able to be like hands-on vlogging because it's busy up in here. So a lot of stuff has been done, but we need to do a lot more. So thank you for joining me. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey, are we excited? We excited! Excited!
Can you hold it?
Yeah, sure. Why am I holding this?
Because I don't want to get them all over the floor.
Okay, I'll help you. We'll take it over here.
Let's both hold it.
It's easier. We're in moving mode, so everything Ivy picks up, she needs someone else to help her because of moving boxes. All right, there you go. Hi, baby. Nice teeth. Okay, let's do it. How I love you, my baby. How I love you, my baby. next project is Calvin's clothes and dresser. So the kids have great rooms. I like the closet space here, but I really do for the most part for Calvin. He doesn't have a lot of clothes like dresses and even dress tops that need to be hung like Ivy does. So really, I don't have too much right now in his closet. But for now, I just have, I believe this is a Malm IKEA dresser. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff in these. Kids, here's the thing. I'm not showing you guys our whole house right now. It's just kind of showing you unpacking and just my disorganized life at the moment. But just to let you know, it's a 3-level house, and at the very top, that's where all the bedrooms are. So it's pretty much just like right across over there. So I gotta be quiet because that's where the kids are sleeping. I think I'm tired. I'm tired, but at the same time I have this like urge to get more stuff done because this is so cool. The day is actually going by really slow, which I love because then I feel like I can get a lot done. Does this make sense? So anyway, so I've been organizing a bunch of bathrooms and just wiping everything down. I have some organization kind of containers that I'm using for the bathrooms. I do really look forward to when we can renovate these things because it's gonna just be better drawer-wise, storage-wise, and they're just really outdated. So the day that we redo our bathrooms, we're gonna have built-in organizers, but for now, this is what we're using. This works great. Anyway, so the last things I have to do is refill some of these glass bottles with some soap. And I thought I would just talk to you guys. I don't even know what we're gonna talk about, but I just feel like talking. So let's try to not make a mess, Sarah. So yes, I'm in my master bedroom, mine and Kieran's master bedroom. So if you've been with us for a while, you would know that me and Kieran haven't had a master bedroom in years. Our bed was squished beside like a kitchen nook area in our last house. I'm not gonna fill it up all the way because I only have a little bit of soap. Sitting on our bed, you could reach out and touch the fridge. That's where we were in our house. And it's been like that for years. And you know what? It's worked. Like if you started here, you would think anything less than this may not work. It's like, is that how a lot of people think? Because a lot of people I talk to, it's like, even for this room is huge. This is a huge room to me. Some people may look at this that have a bigger room or like started there and think like, oh, that's a small room. Like, how do you make it work? You make it work. Your priorities, you figure those out and then you make it work. Straw is weird. We have contracting. They're gonna come over soon-ish. And okay, I just got soap on my hands, so this isn't going very well. They're gonna come over and they're putting hardwood in our bedroom. So the entire house pretty much has that same kind of light floor, but in here it's gonna be a little bit darker and it's a hardwood. So it was pretty pricey, but me and Kieran really just kind of wanted to go for it. And I'll do like a before and after master bedroom final reveal video just because I don't think I'll do this anywhere else in the house, but just especially in this room because this room is really special to me, even though like I haven't even slept in it, but it's just very special and very cool. We're gonna keep this master bedroom on a down low pretty much until everything is done. I think that sounds really cool and exciting. So be sure to subscribe for that video. Let's go ahead and keep going. as soon as I clean up, Ivy hurt her finger. As soon as I clean up, some things go kind of messy and all over the place, but it's not too bad. Most of it stayed pretty good. This won't really be the final setup of our living. Am I zoomed in? No? Okay. Plans here for sure. I'm gonna get us some white linen curtains. And I'm just gonna move this to the side, Ivy. I'm so thrilled, and I've dreamed about this even before Kieran, about having a small kitchen for my kids to play in. This one took a hot minute to make. It's from IKEA. It's seriously really cheap and it's quite cute. So we'll put that there. Just how cute is that? Their little table, their little kitchen. I think I will do a dedicated video just organizing this pantry. So great to actually have pantry storage, but he's not organized and I miss organized, so we're gonna have to organize this pretty hardcore. Can you tell I'm tired? I'm so tired. Even just trying to open my eyes is really difficult. Haven't been sleeping too hot lately, but for Calvin's room, I decided to put Ivy and Elizabeth's dresser in here as well, just because it was a little too smushed in the other room. And until I find something different, if I want to, this is what we're going to be doing. So this is Calvin's, Ivy and Elizabeth's, and seriously, so many of the drawers are actually empty because I just don't have a lot of stuff for them. Like clothing wise, I'm like so sweaty and oily. Whew. Still doesn't feel real. Like this whole house. Oh, my kids are turning on music. Hold on, copyright. You can do it, Cal. You can turn around. It just doesn't feel real that we live here. Oh, it's almost the kids' bedtime. I'm very tired. I wanted Kieran to be a part of this vlog because it's like our first day actually in, but he is working late. Ladies, mamas, please don't complain about your husband being home around 6. I would love if Kieran was guaranteed to be at home 6 o'clock every single night. That would be amazing. So don't complain about it. I deal with a lot of late nights with Kieran and his work. It's normal. I just don't really like it, and I miss the guy. Anyway, so that's why he's not part of this vlog, but hopefully maybe the next one or something. I don't know. You guys like Kieran. I like Kieran too. He's great. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't even know how much footage I got, but I just was kind of like go, go, go. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.